take it out. In theory, all these bolts should just come right out by hand.
This piece is moving here. It moves back and forth.
Yeah, but I only had one tack on there. So when I unbolted, because the bolt is in this piece.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So when I unbolted it and then I started to unbolt that one, this piece started moving because it was just this one tack on there.
Okay.
So I'm just trying to sure it so it doesn't go anywhere. But then I got to do this one too, but this one's kind of weird looking. But then when I look at it like this, it's not weird looking at all. Looking good though. Just one fucking shitty spot so far. No, she's still pretty hot. Especially right here. But this stuff's pretty thick, so it's not I don't think it's gonna warp, but I want to still give it a couple minutes to just fucking settle down before. And that's why I'm not just like going around it and then going around it and then going around it. Right. Just one little side, alter, go around in a bunch of different spots. It's like you could see that, like, or I can feel it at least. It's on the brink of blowing through. Like I already blew through on the bottom here. I blew a fucking hole in it and had to go back and fill it up. When it's on the brink of blowing through, you know you're getting the welds all the way down into the inside of the metal. You know, and that was my concern. I don't want to put the weld on the outside of the metal because then it aids for fatigue because there's an opening that goes through. So it's essentially like a crack in the metal if you don't get the weld to go all the way through there. You know what I'm saying? Because then it could just crack. Because I need to just now, like, theoretically I can't see in there, but like this weld here should almost look the same on the inside. It should have a bulge on the inside so that it's thicker, you know, in the weakest point is where the most metal
inside
is.
and out, you're covered.
Yeah.
Definitely.
But
it's called a legit weld, right?
Legit welding?
Legit welding.
Legit welding.
That doesn't break apart after
It's called a not garage door welding. Don't know yet. That anti-spatter shit seems to be working pretty well though.
Yeah,
I'm really
definitely.
enjoying it. It makes the welds look real nice. As long as I go in the right direction. This shit really does fucking smell like hibachi.
Get it while it's warm.
Man, it's fucking. That shit is great. I love that stuff. That's my new favorite shit. Best welds. Best welds, anti-spacer. The anti-spato. Fuck you, cocksucker. Hey.
No, we are not sponsored by the Best Welds.
I'm gonna have to use a new technique.
What kind of technique is that?
It's called this thing is hot. And this gap's too big. So I'm gonna have to booger it and then grind it and then make a nice bead back over it.
Gap tooth?
I don't know.
You know what I like?
I don't really care. You're never gonna see it.
Penetration.
Penetration. Yeah. Nice, good penetration. I gotta do this part. Tim likes penetration. Hot diggity damn. So it stays together.
Hey, just think about it. You got one more left to do after this one.
One more what?
Frame rail.
Oh yeah, and then we can put them in the car and then maybe try to attach them to the car.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be fun? Wouldn't that be fun? Plus I gotta finish that motor mount too before I can put it back in. That one that's got the open bottom.
Right.
So, but I want to grind this real quick and then put a nice bead on that. What do you want to eat? Well, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything other than the beef stick. Actually, I had 2 beef sticks.
That sounds good.
A beef stick?
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. I like all the rest of them. Except for that one. I don't like that.
Do you like this one?
I like this one. I like that one. I like this one. I like that one. I like this one too.
I'm guessing you don't like that one.
No, but I'm gonna like it in a minute.
But that's a good one. And we like that one.
I'm gonna put a little melter on there with it, you know.
We don't like that one.
Little melter. I don't like that one.
and we're gonna fix this one.
I don't like it either.
Can we fix it?
It's got a couple little bumps in it. It's okay. This side's gonna get ground down anyway, and I'm gonna have metal against here.
I think I do smell hibachi.
It does, I'm telling you. This anti-spatter stuff.